Hello friends, how are you? We come to ABC Kids Learning Center. Today we will learn alphabet letter A. Friends, do you know me? Guess. I am capital letter A. I am small letter A. A. Friends, do you know A is for what? A is for apple. Hello, I am Apple. Let's go spelling the apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Do you know A is for another what? A is for ant. Hello, I am Ant. Let's go spelling the ant. A-N-T, ant. A-N-T, ant. A is for apple. A is for ant. Thank you, friends. See you with the next lesson. Goodbye.